NFTically is an all-in-one platform designed for creators and collectors to mint, sell, and trade NFTs with ease. Whether you're new to NFTs or an experienced creator, NFTically offers powerful tools to bring your digital assets to life. The platform allows users to mint NFTs without the complexity of coding, using an intuitive interface that guides you through the process. You can create digital art, music, videos, or collectibles, and sell them on the NFTically marketplace. The platform also integrates with major blockchain networks, including Ethereum and Polygon, ensuring that your NFTs are secure and easily tradable across the most popular chains. Additionally, NFTically offers features like customizable storefronts, a community of artists and collectors, and multiple payment options. It's designed to be beginner-friendly while still offering advanced features for seasoned creators. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. NFTically has been gaining attention for its affordable fees and user-focused approach, making it one of the top choices for those looking to create and trade NFTs. The platform's ease of use, combined with its scalability, means that it can grow with your NFT journey. Whether you're just starting out or are an established creator, NFTically provides all the tools you need to succeed in the NFT space. It's also a great place to discover unique NFT projects from artists around the world, ensuring there's always something new and exciting on the marketplace. If you're looking for a platform to mint and sell NFTs with minimal hassle, NFTically is a solid choice that makes the NFT creation process simple and accessible to all. The ability to easily integrate with popular blockchains and offer customizable storefronts for creators sets NFTically apart from other platforms. Whether you're an artist wanting to showcase your digital creations or a collector looking for the next big project, NFTically has you covered. So, if you're interested in diving into the world of NFTs, NFTically is a platform worth exploring. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest reviews and tutorials.